I was so unfamiliar with the MPRE topics. So I paid very close attention to the lectures just because I had no experience with any of the topics going into them. So yeah, I watched all of the lectures and then used all the practice questions. And what was great about that course was that I didn't really need to do anything on the side, any extra work. The course itself covered everything that I needed to know, which made me feel great. I wouldn't know how to study for this without a course. So to have a course and then to have the videos and the practice questions, and that's all I really had to do, that felt great. My school course wasn't modeled off of the MPRE, so I didn't feel super prepared for the MPRE. And then when I went into study, I was like, thank God I used an MPRE course because my professional ethics class didn't cover everything that I needed to know. So it was nice to have that to supplement it, and never once was I like, oh, I'll use my notes for my professional ethics class. It's great about the MPRE course that it's specifically designed for the MPRE, so it's not like, let me filter through all of the notes that I had from my class and figure out what's relevant. Everything that I'm learning is relevant. I'm Dakota Treece, and I went to DePaul University College of Law. I passed the BARBRI way.